Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar yen never did make its move up, but I still think it looks like it needs to because this looks to me more like an impulsive five-wave move, like possibly an A. Maybe this is just completing a wave B, and then it's going to push up for a wave C. And I still think there is a chance it will eventually push back down, maybe making a lower high like this. But the thing is that the very high time frames are definitely in an uptrend, and there is definitely a chance that it just keeps on going up and making higher highs, higher lows. So I would still be a little bit cautious on the fact that there really is no real evidence that we're going down in any significant way. Yes, there is a gap down here, but gaps can stay open for a very long time before they actually do fill. So I would still be more focused on longs than anything. But if you do get three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level and then a golfing move to the downside, then it probably would make for a pretty nice short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.